Okay, you guys see what's missing? The inside door handle. Broke right off. All I was doing was opening the door. I wasn't being a clown either. And yet it came right off. I was picking this up from my grandparents, and I've raised the handle to open the door and it just broke right off. And unfortunately, the replacement is crazy expensive. There we go. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We got 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So what's that, 5 10 millimeters. So we're just gonna come in here. So we got all those off. Alright, so we got our door panel set up now. This is our new Dorman 80374. This is for the driver's door. Let's see what's in this box. We got some instructions, screws, washers, and probably some kind of drill bit. Over here we got the new handle. Let's see. Okay, it's the same side, so this is the piece of the handle that broke right there. Super nice of GM to make it where it's part of the entire door panel. Like, what was the plan? Are they gonna, you're gonna have to buy a whole new one of these if Dorman didn't offer this? That's so ridiculous. I know it's some kind of bit. Oh yeah, it's like a plasma bit, Forstner bit. I'm guessing this is gonna drill the heads of these off. Let's see what the instructions look like here. Remove door panel. Okay, that's step 1. Got it. Step 2, remove the 6 connected points by using the included drill bit. Okay, that's it. Step 3, remove the spring and then the bracket. I don't know why we would need to remove that. There it goes. Okay guys, so I don't think I would go removing all that stuff. I don't know why you would. It just snapped together. I guess I can operate it and make sure that it works. Oh yeah, it works correctly. So let's move on. I bet we gotta use these washers and screws. Put the washer on connection point and then fasten screw. Alright, so just to use these, I'm gonna do it by hand because I don't want to get all crazy with the impact and strip them out. Can't believe GM did this with the door handle. That's so lame. Buy American, man. Buy American. Support everybody. Yep, support Dorman. Made in Mexico, because you know it's got to be cheaper than the whole door panel. And it's not my fault that whoever the engineer was on this decided to just completely S the bed. We'll just make it all one piece. It'll be one giant piece of plastic, and then when they have to replace it, they'll just get a whole new truck. Door handle broke, throw it away. Get a whole new truck. New door handle. So, not a bad gig. Not a bad job. There's your instructions. Crap. Alright, so I'm going to show you a trick. Take you a piece of plastic. Fit that in there. When you're in a spot where if you drop the bolt, it's going to be a bad day. Do something like that. You can then fish the plastic out, easy peasy, and that's it. I mean, we can test it real quick and make sure it works. Piper, you have to stay put. You gotta stay put for a second. Let's see. Let's make sure it works. I'm not going nowhere. She thinks I'm taking off. Okay. Oh yeah. Bada bing. It works good. So hey, that's it. That's how you replace the door handle on a 2010 Chevy Silverado. If your handle looks like this, that's how you replace it with that Dorman kit. Or maybe GM makes just a replacement metal handle. I didn't see any when I looked. This was the only real option other than the whole door panel, which is crazy. So let me know what you think. Leave us a comment. Thanks for watching.